Hello guys, Fotis here. In this short video we're gonna try to fix some issues with Dungeon Keeper 2. We're gonna talk about the Steam version, although I think that everything we talk about today applies to the GOG version as well. Besides, the Steam version essentially is GOG version from what I understand. It's the version 1.7. Okay, we're gonna talk about three things today. First, we're gonna patch the game and fix bugs and AI issues. Second, we're gonna upgrade the graphics with a small program. And third, we're gonna talk about resolution, upgrading using higher resolutions. Okay, so just a little bit of context. I wouldn't even know about the things I'm talking today if I hadn't noticed in the installation directory of the game that there are two exe files. There is this one, DK2 exe, and there is this one as well, DK2 DX-exe. So if you run those files, you're gonna find out that if you hit play, the game will run with DK2 DXE. This is the 1.7 version of the game. If you run this file, this is gonna be the 1.5 version of the game. Okay? I did some research because I always like to research stuff when I'm about to start a new game or a game I haven't played for many years, like DK2. I want to do some research and see if there are any patches I can install, bug fixing, that, you know, mods or whatever. And these two files here, the separate versions, piqued my interest. So I found out that the general consensus is that if you want to play single player, you're gonna have to run this file here, the 1.5. If you want to play multiplayer, you're gonna want to run DK2 DX-exe. The problem is that the latest patch, the 1.7 patch, let's say, has some issues with AI, it has some bugs as well. The 1.5 has better AI, that's why people say if you want to play single player, run the 1.5 version. I started looking around to find out if there was a way to have a best of both worlds, and that's what we are going to do today. We're gonna have all the fixes from version 1.7, and we're gonna have the better AI from 1.5 version. How do we do this? We're gonna install Flame. What is Flame? Flame is an unofficial patch or a mod, whatever you wanna call it, it doesn't matter, that brings us best of both worlds. So let's get into it. First things first, you want to download this file. You're gonna find a link in the description. That link is gonna bring you in this page. There is many stuff you can read here about the fixes. There is bug fixes, better AI. There is some quality of life added, like for example zoom in and out with mouse. So you want to download this file here, Flame 1.7 zip. As you can see, it's pretty recent, February 2, 2025. When you have downloaded, you're gonna extract it. 7-zip, WinRAR, it doesn't matter. Okay. And you're gonna see these files here. README you don't need, but you can read it if you want to. And this file, the map, you don't need either. If you read the README, it clarifies that for you. You don't need this file. You're gonna copy the exe file, the Flame exe, and the data, okay? And you're gonna paste it in your installation folder where the other exe is. I have already done this. I won't do it again, but if Windows asks you to overwrite anything, press yes to all. And that's it. You have it installed. Now, if you run it, right, Flame, it has a separate exe. You don't need to rename anything. Copy, paste, and you are ready to go. You run it, okay. As you can see, we have version 1.7 Flame. That's what you want to run. Okay, that's done. Next step, we're gonna upgrade the graphics a bit, and in order to do that, we're gonna download DK2 tweak.zip. You're gonna hit the link in the description, and that will bring you in this page. You want this file here, DK2 tweak.zip. It's the 5th from the bottom up. Okay, download it, and after that, extract it. Come on. All right, you don't need the readme, of course, and you're gonna copy paste these two files, the exe file and the launchini, into your main Dungeon Keeper 2 directory where the other exe files are. You press yes when it asks you to overwrite anything. You press yes to all, and that's it. Then you run DK2 tweak exe. So you have some options here, as you can see. All right, you can copy my settings. You can, but I think most of it it comes as default. You can type your name in here for multiplayer purposes. You can play around with the sound. I'm cask here, or you can copy my settings. Here, video. We'll leave the resolutions for last. I haven't tried this. Supposedly it does something with water, but I haven't tried this. This come as default. These are the settings that come with the tweaker here. These don't touch. I suggest you leave it at low. It says texture reduction. I was taught in a very young age, if you're not sure about something, don't touch it. But from what I understand, the higher you get, the more texture reduction you have, and that doesn't sound good, so leave it at low. Max this out. Hardware here, 32 bits, color depth. Now, resolutions. As you can see, you have options here. You have high resolution options. If you want to use them, you have to check these boxes here, and then you have to pick one of these two high resolutions. The problem with these resolutions here, I'll show you. If you press save, you have to, whatever changes you do, press save, not run, don't press anything else, save and close. Alright, after that, you'll have, from now on, you'll have to run the Flame exe, okay? Don't, you can make a shortcut of this and put it in your desktop and run it like that, but don't hit play from here anymore, because you will run the unpatched version, let's say. So, we'll run Flame. You're gonna have an issue with the text when you are using this resolution. Alright, here we are. As you can see, the text is pretty small up there, as you can see here in this bar. There's no way around that. I haven't found any solution to that. And also you have this problem here that you can see and you can use the options, but you don't have text. You have text here. You can see everything, alright? But when you go to options, you don't have text, but you can use the options though. For example, you can you can use everything here, okay? And it will apply. So, as you saw, using these resolutions, whatever resolution you use, you're gonna have black bars in the side of your screen, of your monitor. There's a way around that. You can use 1920 by 1080p. I heard if you go high, you can go higher than that, but I heard that the game might crash. I haven't tried it because my monitor is 1080p, so we can get around the black bars. You're gonna type here regedit. If you start typing, you're gonna see this option right here, regedit. Okay, registry editor. Don't be afraid, it's not a big issue. So you're gonna go current user, software, Bullfrog Productions, Dungeon Keeper 2, configuration, video. What you want is width and height. You're gonna double click width, you're gonna hit decimal, and then you're gonna hit your monitor dimensions. Again, don't go higher than 1920 1080 because the game might crash. So I'm gonna type my dimensions. Oops, that's done. Then we go screen height, decimal, 1080, and that's it. That's it. Easy. Go to your installation folder and run Flame, and now we will have full screen. You won't see it. You won't see it in the menu, but when you start a new campaign, you see we have full screen, and we have our zoom. Everything works correctly, and the sounds work. Everything works as it should. So yeah, that's all. I hope this video helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later, guys. Enjoy Dungeon Keeper 2. I'm ready to start doing a playthrough to remember how this game works and the mechanics. I haven't played it for many years, decades. But yeah, I will upload some playthroughs of DK2. Okay, I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.